The 700E comes with a stainless steel hopper lid and also the grill lid. It has a huge cooking area, both with a small top rack and also the main rack. The grill has enough area for a brisket or a huge cooker. Inside the grill we have a grease tray, a little oil or grease bucket, nice and easy to clean, a big heavy duty baffle plate. This helps to disperse the heat more evenly throughout the grilling area. That sits over the top of the fire pot where the flames are burning the pellets. The 700E has a huge hopper capacity of 10 kilos, enough for anywhere between 10 and 30 hours of cooking depending on the temperature. Using the Z grill is very easy. You turn the power on, you set to smoke, and it'll push pellets into the fire pot, automatically ignite those. You have the lid open initially. Once you see some smoke and you start to hear the sound of the flames, then you can set it to your desired temperature. So the pellets go from the hopper and they're pushed through a pipe via the auger into the fire pot. The Z grill comes with 2 food probes which you can plug into here, so you can push this into your food and easily, by pressing this button, monitor the temperature of your food.